Hello guys, welcome to a brand new episode. In this episode, we'll go about creating our new entities. So we would actually guys need two new entities for our product badge plugin. As I've mentioned in the earlier episode that we will be making our product badge entity translatable. That means that I'd like to translate the tags. So we would be actually creating two entities, one for the translation and one for the actual product badge that will be later mapped to the product. So guys, let's go step by step into it and let's have fun. So okay guys, so I'd like to first analyze together how Sylius handles translations. So I'll pick a translatable entity. Let's go with product option. This is guys from the core entities of Sylius. So let's look into it. So guys, let's go here. So as you can see, our interface would be extending the translatable interface. Let's check it out. So this is a simple interface. Get translation with parameter, has translation, a translation, remove translation, and set current local and set fallback local. So as you can see guys, we must implement those product option interface definition. So those translatable interface definitions. Luckily we have already a trait for this. This all provided from Sylius. So guys, we have already a trait that implements all these methods for us. So we won't be needing to implement them ourselves. We already have a trait that does that for all translatable entities. So guys, so here as we can see here, the name, this is similar to our case. So the name property is defined in the translation entity, and we do get translation and then get name to access the name property because it is translated guys. So as you can see here, they're implementing the get translation, and we do the do get translation from the trait. So we would be calling this class when I'm retrieving the name. As you can see, this gets the translation entity, and then we must implement a create new translation. We must only instantiate the translation interface. So this is very simple guys, so because everything is already provided by Sylius. So so we would be having a product badge entity and a product badge translation entity. So let's start step by step. So guys, let's start step by step. I'll go into my entity folder. I'll create product badge.php and product badge translation.php. Perfect guys. So let's start with the product badge entity. So we would need the idea is to have a CSS class that we will be injecting into the element to have, for example, to have a background for the badge or something like that. So we can have anything. So it's just a CSS class with a definition of set definition of rules. Yeah, we can of course, yeah, for the sake of this tutorial, we can use Bootstrap badges because Bootstrap 5 is already integrated. Yeah, so we would have CSS class. That's a string, so that's exact. So yeah, that's varchar, so that's a string. And yeah, so and I'll have a name. So the name is actually what will be shown on the product. The name should be saved in the translation because yeah, I want it to be translated. Yeah, I would have like an ID, of course, and yeah, guys. So and the timestamp, I'd like to have also a timestamp like a created ad and updated ad. Okay, perfect, guys. So let's create our interfaces. So this is, guys, good practice to have interfaces, guys, to define the rules of the entity. So I'll create two interfaces, product badge interface .php and product badge translation interface .php. Perfect, guys. So one second, guys. I've already implemented these interfaces, so I'll do just copy paste and go and explain each step. So one second. So guys, so perfect. So as you can see, guys, so this is my product badge interface. As you can see, we can comment this out for now. We come to them later, so we can comment them out. One second. We need those later, so but we don't need them right now for our product badge entity. So guys, as you can see, we have the name, get name, set name, CSS class, and that's it. We extend the resource interface. That means let's check it out. So exactly, the get ID is already included. Let's go back to our product badge interface, and we also extend the translatable interface. So things like get translation, create new translation should be included. So get translation, yeah, exactly, guys. Yeah, get translation has translation, remove translation, exactly. So these methods should be implemented in our product badge. But luckily, as I've already mentioned, we have the Sylius trait, translation trait, and we can easily use it, and everything should work correctly as long as we follow the Symfony, the Sylius pattern. So the correct pattern, that means when we register our resource, then everything should work automatically. So let's go step by step, guys. Perfect, guys. So I'll go back to my product badge.php. As I've mentioned, guys, I've already implemented this, so I'll do copy paste and go. So guys, perfect. So okay, perfect. So I will firstly comment these out. We will need these later, guys, for the many-to-many relation between the products and the badges. So we will need those later, so don't worry about them now. So let's keep going, guys. As you can see, so let's start step by step. Here we must define the product badge translation. We'll do that shortly, guys. So let's go step by step. So Guys, so we have the timestampable trait, and this is just created at, updated at properties. I'm including them here. So guys, 1 second guys, let me look 1 second. Let's see where this also, so for example in this address entity, so exactly, so we need this timestampable interface. Let me copy this and go here. So, and yeah, perfect. So we will be defining our get created at and our get updated at functions with this timestampable interface. Perfect guys. So let's go back here, and with this trait, both these functions are already included. With this translatable trait, we can say, so the construct is initialize translation collections. We can take a look at our construct here. As you can see, is just initializing this collection. So guys, we will be doing it in our construct. I will be also setting the created at as new date time. I will be also define my products array collection. This guys, we will need it later, so I will comment it out. This I will be needing it later, so we don't need it actually now. So if you guys are wondering about the Doctrine configuration, so I will be using XML as a configuration so that my plugin is easily extendable instead of using PHP 8 attributes. Or yeah, so guys, we can use XML configuration because that's easily extendable. So guys, let's move forward. So as you can see here, he's asking for this product batch translation interface. It doesn't exist yet, so let's go back here and copy. 1 second guys, let's copy our, okay guys, I leave the link to the GitHub repository. You can you can like check out the repository and check the code for yourself. So as you can see, this is my product batch translation interface. I'm extending the resource interface. That means I will be having an ID. So my product batch translation will have a name and an ID, and also I'm extending the translation interface. So let's take a look guys. So in this translation interface, there are two main functions, so 4 main functions. So the get translatable, this is when we will be getting for example our product batch, and the get local. So this is the local. So this is very straightforward guys. So the local that save it in this translation entity. So guys, let's keep moving forward. Yeah, perfect. So I've already defined. Now this product batch translation is missing. This is very easy guys, luckily. So luckily we have the abstract translation. So in this abstract translation, I'll be having this function. So the get translatable, set translatable, get local, set local, they are already implemented guys. So yeah, we don't have to implement them. So guys, let's take a look. 1 second. So yeah, everything looks okay here. So as you can see, I'm creating a new translation with the new product batch translation. Perfect guys, so it should be working correctly. So let me save this. Perfect, guys. So the next step is defining the Doctrine configuration for each entity. So for the product badge and the product badge translation. So perfect, guys. Let's dive into it. I'll go to my config. I'll create new folder Doctrine. So guys, this will be automatically loaded. I'll go here and say product badge dot orm.xml. So perfect, guys. So guys, I've already configured it, the entity. So I'll do copy paste. Perfect. So yeah, we can comment these out. So guys, 1 second. So we can comment this out for now, so we don't need them. This is the mapping between the product and the product badge. So we will do that later. So as you can see here, this is, guys, this is a simple mapping. So guys, as you can see, the created ad, the updated ad, we're using the Gitmo extension. Yeah, guys, you can also use this in the PHP attribute. So guys, so this Gitmo extensions, I think it makes it automatic to update both these values. So we don't need, every time we're saving or something, we don't need to go and say set updated at, for example, new date time or something. So it's always updated automatically with the help of this Gitmo extension. So this is already installed, so we don't have to install the Gitmo bundle. Okay. So guys, define my field CSS class, column CSS class. Yeah, as you can see, nullable true. It shouldn't be null because that wouldn't work, but yeah, let's keep it null for the sake of it. But yeah, so let's keep diving into it. That's it, guys. So perfect. This is for my product badge. The name property will be defined in the product badge translation. So that's what we will do next. Product badge translation dot orm.xml. Perfect. Let's take a look. So guys, yeah, I've perfect. So very nice, guys. So here we only need the ID and the name. So you may, guys, be wondering about how the local and the translatable fields will be set in this entity, and this is very tricky, guys, so pay attention. So Sylius have a built-in, let's look at it. I think it's translatable. Something. It has a listener, a Doctrine listener that will be adding. We will be looking in the meta configuration. So we will do the configuration, and it will be mapping the entity to the translatable entity to the translation entity together. So it will be creating the fields for us, like the local and things like that. So we don't need to define them here. So one second, guys, I forgot what's the exact name of the class. We can do something like this. Yeah, for example, translatable ID. Exactly, perfect, guys. So this is the ORM translatable listener. So as you can see, guys, perfect. This is it just registers our translatable, so it looks, it gets the metadata that we will register, and it, yeah guys, it just maps the translations together, so we don't need to actually do that inside our entities. So Sylius goes a step further and makes it more easy for us, so everything will be automatic for us. So what we need to do is actually we need to define our configuration. So guys, so in this config .yaml, I'll go here and do I'll create a new folder, resources, and I'll create a new config file product batch.yaml. This is just for configuring the entity with the correct translation. Guys, we can take a look at the documentation. So I think Sylius is very well documented in this part. We can look Sylius resource. Yeah, exactly. The resource layer maybe here, or we can look, one second, a new entity, for example. So how to add a custom model. This is yeah, this is exactly what we need. So one second, guys. Yeah. This configuration is exactly what we need, guys. Perfect. So as you can see, yeah, this is what we exactly need. So we need to register our new entity so that Sylius knows about it. So I've already so one second, guys. I've already registered that, so I have one second, guys. That's not exactly here. So I have the config file. I'll do copy paste. So guys, perfect. So we of course need to define the repositories. I'll be doing that right now. But so guys, this is what we actually need. Perfect. But I can comment them out for now. So as you can see, this is the configuration. There's Sylius resources, classes, translations, classes. As you can see, my class, this is my class, translation class, this is my translation interface, and this is my translation class, translation interface. So this is my product batch class and product batch interface. Perfect, guys. So let's keep going. We are almost done. What we need to do, I'll go into config. I'll do, for example, resources. Let's explicitly add it. So product batch.yaml. So perfect, guys. So product batch.yaml. So this will load our Sylius resource configuration. And then, guys, what we need to do, we need to import this config.yaml into our host. So this is not automatically loaded, so we just need to load it. So let's go, guys. One second, guys. So yeah, this is our host project, guys. So this is the host project, and we will need to load it. So I will go to the config.yaml. I'll take a look here. So no, sorry guys, I'll go to the Sylius.yaml. This is the configuration that will be loaded. I'll go here and add my, so it is directly, so include it like this. Perfect, guys. So I will I'll just add my config to YAML so that everything is included. So let's go back. So everything looks okay. So on the host, so guys, important, on the host project, I will be running my Doctrine migration diff, just a comment to create the tables for the new entities, and I will check if that everything is working. So guys, we should be creating getting a migration with the correct table, so product badge and product badge translation. That means our configuration is already loaded. So migration diff, let's see if that works. So I will be using this Doctrine migration, the first one. So that's my namespace. So it has created a migration for us. Let's take a look, guys. So as you can see, everything seems correct. As you can see, guys, it has created the Sylius product batch table with the created ad, updated ad. Perfect. Perfect, guys. So take a look at this. This is beautiful, guys. So as you can see, it has created our product batch translation with the name, with translatable ID. This is the product badge, and as you can see, it has added a foreign key. As you can see, guys, on delete cascade. That's perfect. Yeah, perfect, guys. So yeah, it can't get more beautiful than this, guys. Everything seems correct. I'll do migrate. Perfect. So now my database should be updated. We can, it doesn't hurt to do another check. So MySQL user root show tables. Let's see. Perfect. So both my tables are already created. Perfect. So let's exit. Yeah, guys, so everything looks perfect. Let's go back here. So let's keep going, guys. Next step will be creating the product mapping, so the product batch to product mapping. So the idea is to have a product batch mapping table, so it will be many to many relations, because yeah, any product can have any tag, so it's not like many to one or one to many relations. So yeah, multiple products can have the same tag, and multiple tags, and a product can have multiple tags. So yeah, guys, we need a many to many relation. So we'll be creating another table. So let's keep going. So guys, as you have seen, I've commented this part out, so we'll go back to it very soon. Let's go to my product batch interface. So guys, perfect. So I will be needing this method. So I'll be needing get product, add a product, and remove product. Yeah, this is standard for many to many relations. So yeah, so guys, let's add them back. So guys, we will be also extending the product interface so that it includes the get badges, methods. So I will go and let's go and create a new file, product interface. So I will later tell the user that he needs to include them. So the person that installs my plugin, I will, in my documentation, I will tell him exactly like what he needs to do. For example, as we've did with the configuration, he will be needing to extend my new product interface. And yeah, guys, so let's keep going. Yeah, so to create the product interface, here is a tip. So we just need to extend the product interface that our host extends, and yeah, and just write the new methods to it. So perfect, guys. So let's create that. So guys, 1 second. As I've already mentioned, guys, so I have this already implemented. So this is what I've done, guys. So I've created a new interface called yeah, as you can see, guys, so we can of course ignore this, but yeah, because Molly is integrated into Sylius core, so it will be automatically installed with Sylius. I may need to install it on my bundle, so on my plugin vendor, so that it is detected. So guys, 1 second. Let's install it pretty quick. So I just show you first how it looks like on the host. So let's go to my product entity. Perfect. So as you can see, I'm extending this product interface in my Molly entity. So yeah, guys, so I would be yeah, 1 second, guys. Okay, perfect. So okay, yeah, we can of course tell the user to implement both interfaces. So instead of extend the Molly plugin, we can of course tell the user to also implement our, let's say, product patch, product interface, or something like that. Or we can also extend this Molly plugin and tell the user just to replace this. So let's do it like this. So let's go back to here and let's go to composer JSON. So I will be requiring that. So guys, well, yeah, here, perfect. So I will go to my, I'll go back to my server. So this is on the inside the container, guys. I'm inside the container. I will run composer update, guys. So it should install my Molly plugin. I say no. You want to extend? I say no. Okay, perfect, guys. So let's go back to my composer. Exactly. So let's go back to my product interface, and this. So and this should be, yeah, perfect. So as you can see, this is already okay, perfect. So we of course need to define our product patch aware interface. This is, guys, where I'll be defining the get badges methods. So I can of course define them here, but I'd like to separate them a little bit. So guys, so I have it. Let me copy paste it. So guys, perfect. So here, as you can see, get product badges, add product badge, and remove product badge. That's it, guys. So that's the method, the functions that my product needs. As you can see, the standard many-to-many relation functions. So guys, perfect. Yes, should be working. Now I've implemented also, let's go here and check. As you can see, guys, I will comment them out. I've commented those out. So guys, look, this is the product. I've commented them out. Perfect. So guys, so everything looks correct. Yeah. Yet now we must just extend our product entity on the host. For that, I've made it as easy as possible for the people that will be using our plugin, and I will be creating a product badge aware trait that we can directly use inside product badge aware trait. We can directly use it inside our product entity. So guys, I will copy paste and we'll go. So guys, as you can see, this is many-to-many. Guys, this trait will be included to the product .php, so it will be included to the host. So as you can see, I have many-to-many relation to the product badges. I'm initializing them. This function will be in the construct, and I'm doing the normal many-to-many functions. So guys, let's go now back to our host. Here go. Perfect, guys. So let's do this, guys. So first I will be removing this interface and using my new interface. So guys, 1 second. Product interface. Perfect. Let's use my product badge aware trait. Perfect. So let's go down here and say use. So perfect, guys. Let me take a look. Perfect. So I will go back to my product. I will define a construct. 1 second, guys. 1 second. I'll probably need a construct. So I don't know if, yeah. So I will probably do something like this. I will get this and do something like this. So I don't know what the product rates. Okay, perfect. So I will do something like this. Yeah. And it should work, guys. So everything looks correct. So I will be documenting this for my users so that they know exactly what to do. And that's it for now. So let's go back to our plugin. Let's check the Doctrine configuration. So here I will comment it back in. So as you can see, I am good. We can extend, of course, our new product interface. So guys, let's go and do something like this. Okay, perfect. Okay, everything looks correct. So guys, now I will be generating a new migration, and it should create the many to many table, and should connect both my entity, so the product badge to the product entity. So let's give it a try, guys. Yeah, this is the host machine. Let's hope for the best. So let's check our migrations. This should be it. So as you can see, guys, we are creating many to many table where we will save the mapping between my product badges to my product. As you can see, we just need the product badge ID and the product ID. As you can see, guys, they are both primary keys. Yeah, and here I'm adding foreign key. So this looked actually really good. So let's do migrate. Okay, perfect, guys. So everything looks correct. So I've set up my entities, and yeah, so for this episode we've achieved everything. So we've learned how to create new entities and how to register them properly with Sylius. And yeah, guys, if you have any questions, guys, like, feel free to message me or to leave a comment. And if you didn't understand any part, yeah, I'd love to help you guys. So see you in the next video, and yeah, guys, so goodbye.